Tokyo. We will be stopping at all stations before arriving at Tokyo Terminal. Super Express bound to Tokyo. Hazardous items are prohibited on stations and trains. If you notice any suspicious item or behavior, please notify staff immediately.
May sakit na ang person. Alright. Tayo nagpatindi siya kaya. Mishima Station. Going to Kawaguchiko. Pero, punta muna kami kundili para mag-withdraw ng pera sa Mishima Crossing. Parang mini Shibuya Crossing ang Mishima. Pamili mark kayo na ATM mag-withdraw. Pwede up to 100k per transaction. Ticket guys. Plus 4 food. Kawaguchiko.
Unwatered Fuji.
Ang bus papuntang Lake Kawaguchiko. C3D. Eto, here.
Passengers bound for Yamanaka-ko, Hotel Mount Fuji, please get off here. Highland.
exit. It leads to the first floor. This is your toilet by bottom, and this one is another emergency exit.
Okay. Thank you.
Please make sure to lock the key when you leave the room.
Okay. Thank you.
And this one is your fridge.
Okay.
And water.
Okay.
And this is the ice pen.
Okay.
When you use the ice maker, please fill this.
Okay.
Thank you. This one is a Wi-Fi ID and password for only this room.
Okay.
Thank you. It's your kimono, like a room wear. And when you go to the onsen hot spring, please bring this towel.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can we wear that heading towards there?
Yes, you can wear it. This is your safety box.
Can you wear that on the dining area?
Yes, you can wear it.
Okay.
And this one is a switch for air conditioning.
Okay.
And your today's dinner place is second floor dining room, right? And your dinner will start at 6.
Yeah.
Do you have any question?
None for now. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As soon as you enter, you'll see the toilet on the left hand side. Nice setup with a urinal for men. Inside the toilet is the ensuite. Lower lotion, moisturizer, and liquid tissue. Double vanity, toothbrush, hairbrush, razor, and shower cap, cottons, towel, bathrobe. Hang your towels in the bathroom here, and then here's the shower. Indoor outdoor shower. It's indoor if the door is closed, but when this is open, it's easy access to the private bath with the view of Lake Kawaguchiko and Mount Fuji. Nakita, but that's it. From the private bath, link access going to the living area. Nice. TV, then beanbag. Also the view of lake, huge one. Beside the TV is the bedroom. Twin double-size beds. Storage. The closet. Here, a kimono, which we can use for the bath. To bring this out if you're going to the onsen, and you can wear that during dinner. So this is the safety box for storing anything. Safe. This cost us about 90,000 yen per night, and this is a superior room with private bath, around 71 square meters. Bus stop nearby. which is near the main road. So nice. Look at that mountain view. Speed test type Ubuya.
Wait, ano?
Private dining. Seafood. Sushi. Shabu-shabu. Dinner for today. Red wine. Sashimi. Suso. Cheers. Red draft beer. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wine. Thank you, Ubuya. Shabu shabu. Ubuya mo. Bakar mo. Wagyu beef.
A5.
A5 Wagyu beef, spring onion, and lemon.
Seven hours later.
Mount Fuji, hello Mount Fuji from our hotel Ubuya. Nice. Pakita na siya today. Breakfast for today. Paper. Hindi ko din alam yan. Ito, hindi ko din alam. 1 minute. Authentic. Red clams. Seashell.
Seashell. Like a seashell.
Kyoto.